This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, October 24th. Stock index futures are mostly higher despite rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Today's economic reports were mixed. However, futures appear to be performing better than the news would suggest. So I think there may be some additional short covering gains in today's trade. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index is lower today after yesterday reaching the highest level since July 10th. Much of the strength in the greenback has been linked to flight to quality flows of funds in light of geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Also, we have favorable interest rate differentials that continue to support the US dollar. So from here, I think we can see a recovery in the dollar index. Still looks like longer term, the trend is higher as interest rate differentials, I think, will be a bullish factor that remains for quite some time. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing futures higher across the board today, although yesterday the 30-year December Treasury bond futures did decline to the lowest level since July 5th. We had Jeffrey Schmidt of the Federal Reserve earlier this week saying that he would prefer not to continue with outsized rate cuts. The last rate change from the Fed was a 50 basis point cut. Also, we had Patrick Harker of the Fed calling for a more moderate approach to easing. Currently, there is a 95% chance that the Fed will be cutting by 25 basis points at the upcoming November 7th meeting, 5% chance of no change. So we are likely to be in a period of accommodation, although the prevailing view now is that the Fed may be slower in its process of easing credit conditions. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.